What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a ROVE R2-4K dash cam. This is the dual one. It's interesting because I have two other ROVE and they literally named the same, R2-4K, but they do a little bit different, every single one of them. So this one is no different. Let's go ahead and open this one and take a look at it. So this one right here just got released this year, and so anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it, because I have to say, if you're gonna get any dash cam, ROVE's one of the one that I would recommend, since, well, I own two of the other ones. Anyway, let's do it. The only thing I would say about ROVE though is that, you know, they need to work on their packaging because I swear, guys, there's like, yeah, I don't know. They their packaging design needs some work, I would say. Okay. Oh, so one thing about ROVE is that they're really cool. They always come with a memory card for you already. You don't have to, you don't have to go out and buy one. So it's ready to go. The entire box is ready to go. A very thick and colorful instruction booklet. Big old accessory box. In here you're gonna find USB-C, two USB-C. One is 6 foot, the other one is 12 feet. Also another data cable, spare sticker, anyway, so on and so forth. There's tons of them in here, guys. Everything that you need to install in your car, like these little mounting brackets here. This one right here is where you squeeze all your wire in your car. And here's a huge amount of USB-C wires. By the way, you are going to need these in order to, if you want to mount it in the back, because these cords are really long. So for me, I won't need too much of those accessories because mine is already pre-wired from the older ROVE, so that's a good thing. All right, and now you have like suction cups and things like that. These are all the different mounting options that you can do. If you don't like stickers, you can do suction cups, so no problem there. And then also it comes with a cigarette lighter adapter as well. You have, this is the actual camera itself. I feel like it's pretty much the same size as my other ROVE camera, by the way. The design is pretty much the same as well. So power button, SD card, which by the way, you probably don't need to touch the power button all that much other than turning it on for the first time. This is a GPS module up on top here, very similar, and you see this little bracket right here. This is where you would mount it in your car. Okay, so you use your suction cup and things like that. They all have this little bracket where you stick this on. This is right here, this USB port is for the rear cam only, it says. So you're gonna mount this and you're gonna wire all your stuff so that it can go to the rear camera. And then this is power and data. The cool part about this is that the USB-C cord that are included in here, it's gonna be a right angle one, so you can actually plug it in so that it's not in the way. It's really nice the way they've done it. These guys definitely know what they're doing when it comes to dash cam, guys. All right, so as soon as I plug the power in, the camera turns on. You don't have to hit the power button at all. All right, so this is what it looks like right here. That's a lot of information on the screen, and obviously, guys, the resolution on this, you can actually set this thing. Right now it's saying that it can do 4K and 1080p right there.
Audio recording off.
Audio recording off. Okay, good, because you know, if you don't want to record in your
Please
car.
insert micro SD card.
All right, okay. So let's go video resolution. Then we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna leave everything there at 4K. Gonna leave all of that default HDR. Sure, I guess. So it's good that they give you video compression option right here, which is H.265, which, by the way, it'll record in 4K, but at a smaller file, which is really nice. Video bitrate, you will always want to set max that out, because that's how, like, bitrate is pretty much like how much information it can consume. I recommend turning it up, especially if you have a bigger memory card. Go ahead and do that. All right, so I do want to show you that this does come with a cigarette lighter that has a USB-A and USB-C as well, which is really cool that they're doing that. Mostly I get like a USB-A port, so this is definitely an upgraded version of some of the ones that I have already. Here's the rear dash camera, which is tiny, by the way. Yeah, here's the rear dash camera right here. USB-C right there. It's really light. All right, guys, so there you go. I have everything set up as how I want it, especially turning off that beeping sound and that boot up sound. Oh, yeah, you definitely want to turn that off. But we're going to go out there and we're going to test this thing out. So here's some test footage.